Hello everyone, this is Ashwin speaking on behalf of visittemples.com, and today I am here to take you all to a beautiful temple that is located in the state of Rajasthan. Come, let's get into the video. Today we are going to see about Gayatri Shaktipeeth Sri Chamunda Mata temple that is located in a place called Kulab Sagar in Jodhpur city of Rajasthan state. The presiding deity of this temple is goddess Chamunda Mata Ji, and she is considered to be an incarnation of goddess Shakti. This Gayatri Shaktipeeth or Chamunda Mata temple is located inside Mahendragarh Fort. The idol of the presiding deity was brought to this fort by Rao Jodha in the year 1460. This temple is considered as Ishtadevata by many kings of current royal family. Thousands of devotees visit this temple every year during Dasara day. There are museum, exhibition halls, and many mortars and cannons around the walls of the fort. I hope the video about this Gayatri Shaktipeeth Sri Chamunda Mata temple was interesting and informative. Please do like, share, and comment, and do not forget to hit the subscribe and bell button in order to get our divine updates on many more divine places across India instantaneously. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.